Learn how barbers are making 1K in one day with the ManWeave unit. Now men can go to having little to no hair to this, a full head of hair shaving years off of your appearance. Barbers, learn the proper way to install the ManWeave unit to get optimal results and lots of money in your pocket. Prepare to attend the ManWeave Unit online class so you can start making 1K in one day. Just go to ManWeaveUnit.com to register for this online class or find a hands-on class in a city near you that is sure to change your life.
I've been in the game more than 20 years, and normally I can look at something and figure it out. And when you observe the techniques and how they put it together, it will blow your mind.
I took the ManWeave's unit class, and when I tell you, man, it's been a benefit to my life. It teaches you something that you've never known. I've always been majority of a cosmetologist and not just completely a barber, and so I've performed a lot of quick weaves on women, and this is a technique that I just never knew anything about. So you should take it. Hey, let it bless your life.
With these new services, you are guaranteed to earn a higher income and to work fewer days in the barbershop. Working smart, not hard.
We will teach you how to make, install, and cut the unit properly. You will also learn the marketing aspect and the proper tools you will need for success. YouTube instructions just leave your head in shambles and are a waste of time. Sign up today for this online class or find a hands-on class in a city near you. Once again, go to ManWeaveUnit.com to register today.